Hello everyone. Today we will talk about forecasting number of passengers for 1 year based on Virgin Airlines data. Moreover, we will look for comparison of the both actual and estimated number of passengers with defining the various scenarios. So that's our outline, and that's Virgin Airlines, which is low-cost carrier. So for this part, when we look at the number of passengers per year that carried Virgin Airlines past 10 years, we can examine slight increases and decreases throughout the years. There was a dramatic decrease after 2015, which nearly recovered in 2019 thanks to Virgin's new management style. Besides that, we can come up with an overall view as besides its dramatic increases, Virgin Airlines poses a positive profile in case of total passengers that they carried. This part is mainly about the forecasting Virgin Airlines number of passengers for the year of 2020, linear and exponential models, as COVID-19 did not happen. This is the linear forecasting model, while this is the exponential forecasting model for Virgin Airlines in 2020. This is the comparison of forecasting methods. So in generally, the real data for total number of passengers of the Virgin Airlines in 2020 is 1.2. There is huge differences between real data and forecast data for 2020. If we ignore the pandemic and make an estimate for 2020 based on average number of passengers over the past 10 years, we see that the linear trend model expects 1.58 million passengers, while the exponential model expects 1.42 million passengers in 2020. We can use the linear estimation method from estimate because it has a lower MST value than other estimation methods. A lower MST value is always close to effective results. So for evolution of passenger part, when we make a comparison between the years 2018 and 2019, we see that there's a positive increase in the number of passengers that carried throughout the year. However, this positive increase do not continue in 2020, which can be explained by the impacts of the COVID-19. Travel limitations, shut boundaries have brought about the abrogation of planned flights and are decreasing the quantity of travelers. Toward the end, absence of request, limitation, and current monetary circumstances cause downright terrible circumstances for carriers. For the last part, estimating the variation of 2019-2022, when we are estimating the variation of 2019-2022, for optimistic scenarios, when we consider before the COVID-19, there is expanding step by step between 2018 to 2019. In 2020, aeronautics confronted sensational decrease because of pandemic. Subsequent to decreasing of impact of pandemic, industry has expanding numbers. Along these lines, the present circumstance can keep up with its development to 2022. And that's just the beginning. It's conceivable that there is expanding like before pandemic. For the natural part, there are such a large number of conceivable outcomes. In any case, changing circumstances show that good and bad times can happen contingent upon pandemic. For the final pessimistic scenarios, everything can change abruptly as in the past. Pandemic assumes significant part in circumstances. Impacts of pandemic is decreasing. In any case, new varieties keep on existing. Subsequently, the industry will actually want to confront same circumstance in coming year. This is our references and sources part, and thanks for watching.